Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to turn off contacts on TikTok. So let's begin right away. So there are actually two steps in turning off contacts on TikTok. The first one is using the TikTok app, and then the second one is using the settings of your phone. So let's begin. First step is to open your TikTok app and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner and click on the three lines found on the upper right corner. Once you're here, click on Settings and Privacy, and then go to Privacy under the Account section and click on Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends. So once you click on Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends, what you're going to do is to make sure that the Sync Contacts option has been turned off. So to turn it off, simply click on the toggle button found on the rightmost part, and it should look like this one. The button has turned into gray and not green like that one. And then let's proceed with the second step. You may go to your settings, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you may be able to see the list of apps right here. So what you're going to do is to look for TikTok, and then once you can see TikTok, click on it, and then you may be able to see as well the contacts option right here. So again, to turn it off, simply click on the toggle button found on the rightmost part and make sure that the toggle button has turned into gray and not green like this one. So that's it. That's how you can turn off contacts on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.